Investigators from the Major Investigation Division MID have charged a second suspect over the upsurge in violence in Cassava, St. Andrew. 23-year-old Andre Hines has been charged jointly with the 16-year-old son of dancehall entertainer Mavado for the murder of Lorenzo Thomas. They've also been charged with conspiracy to murder, arson, shooting with intent, as well as illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Investigators reported that on June 5, about 3 in the morning, the two accused were among a group of armed men who kicked open the door to Mr. Thomas's house. He was shot, chopped with a machete, and then set ablaze. The two are booked to appear in court on Monday. Meanwhile, the MID says Mavado is still being sought for questioning. He is still overseas, but his attorneys are reportedly making arrangements for his return. There has been an upsurge of deadly violence since gunmen allegedly fired at Mavado in Cassava on June 2nd.